dark and lonely we found grace. From the ashes risen up in His embrace. Whispered prayers carried high into the sky. Love so endless never fades, it will not die. Healed our wounds and wiped our tears with gentle hands. Walked beside us when we couldn't even stand. Chains are broken, we are singing with one voice. Out from shadows we will rise, we will rejoice. Healed our wounds and wiped our tears with gentle hands. Walked beside us when we couldn't even stand. Chains are broken, we are singing with one voice. Out from shadows we will rise, we will rejoice. Free from sins that bound us tight, in His love we find the light. With each breath we'll praise His name, by His mercy saved again. Guided by a star so bright it led the way. In His presence all our fears just fade away. He redeems us, lifts the broken from the fall. With His strength we stand together, one and all. Through the storm His love prevails unyielding. Every heart in faith shall find a healing. Free from sins that bound us tight, in His love we find the light. With each breath we'll praise His name, by His mercy saved again. Free from sins that bound us tight, in His love we find the light. With each breath we'll praise His name, by His mercy saved again. By His mercy saved again, by His mercy saved again. Guided by a star so bright it led the way.